Hi guys, I have recently started trading meme coins, and let me tell you, it's been a while, right? Check out my latest profits. Not too shabby, right? And the tool that's been making all of this possible and easy is GMGN. And quick disclaimer here, this isn't a paid promotion, it's just that I've been using GMGN for a while now, and I personally think it is the best tool out there. It's user-friendly, packed with great features, and perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use GMGN to trade and spot meme coins that could 10x, 100x, or even 1000x your profits. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, first thing first, head over to GMGN's official website, then click connect right here. You can choose to log in with your crypto wallet, or you can just sign up with your Telegram. Of course, you can use crypto wallet to sign in if you don't want to use Telegram or you don't have Telegram. But I do recommend that if you don't have Telegram, you should sign up for it because it is going to be really helpful. So I'm just gonna sign up with my Telegram right here. Now click connect Telegram. So this window will just pop up after we click that. Then we're just gonna click login website. Also, you can see your wallet address right here. This is our Solana address, and this is our Ethereum address, and here is our Tron wallet address. And we're just gonna click login website, click open. And you gotta make sure you have some Solana in your wallet address before we start. So we can simply do that by click my wallet and copy your wallet address right here and just send some Solana to this wallet address. Once you're done with that, we're ready to roll. Now let's click on the trading tab on top right here. This is also GMGN's homepage. Here you can set up a bunch of filters to find coins that are pumping right now. For example, you can filter by percentage of price movements in like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour. And here's the price. Actually, you need to know that the market cap is much more important than the price for meme coins nowadays. And here we got the transaction volumes, here is the number of KOLs and smart wallets holding the token. And we will also see the liquidity and market cap right here. Also, you can look out for the blue chip owner right here. This indicator signals the major holders or smart investors are buying, which is usually a bullish sign for smaller market cap coins. Alright, now let's go to the meme page right here, just at the top. Then we're going to select pump to access the pump dashboard. This layout is super intuitive, like the left panel here is a new creation, and the middle one is the completing tokens, and the right panel is the completed tokens that have reached Radium. So the new creations are the freshly launched tokens, and the completing tokens are those pressing through the bonding curve. And the complete tokens have reached 100% of their bonding curve and typically hit a 9,000 market cap. So they graduated from seeding and got migrated to Radium. So you can see here, like each token comes with some great stats. You can use it to decide if it's worth your time. So here we got age since creation. If this coin is being around for a while, it might have some credibility. But hey, don't sleep on the fresh ones. They're risky, but could be your ticket to massive gains. And another really important thing here is their social links, like their website, X, and Telegram. You can just simply click on it, and it's going to take you to their website. Alright, let's check its X. You need to check their vibes. Are they active, engaging, and legit? If their socials look dyed or fake, it's a huge red flag. Like, this one looks pretty good. Alright, let's go back. So the thing here is you need to watch out for the tokens where the devs hold more than 10% of the total supply. They could easily dump on you at the same time. Same goes for top 10 holders controlling over 40% of the total supply. That's a rug pull waiting to happen. And I gotta say, GMGN makes it super easy to spot these red flags. Anything sketchy is barking red. So if you see a bunch of warnings, it's time to move on. Okay, now how to use filters to find gems. Since most meme coins, like 99% of the meme coin are trash, filters are your best friend. So here is a basic setup I usually use. So market cap, let's set 100,000, which is 10k. And transactions, let's set at least 2. And top holder, let's set 3. Okay, then we're gonna hit apply. Alright, here is the filter result. We're going to avoid tokens with red flags like high developer holdings or low liquidity. Now let's look for something fun. Okay, grand. This one looks legit. Let's just click on it to see how it works. First, we can start by checking the holders tab right here. And let's check the token distribution of holdings. So this guy here has 60% of the total supply. Jesus Christ. If a wallet is holding more than like 6% of the total supply, that's a huge red flag. Because if that wallet sells, it could tank the price instantly, which often scares people away. Next, we can take a look at the source of the funds of the wallet. This coin looks really good because it's all funded by different wallets. So if you saw multiple wallets traced back to the same origin, that's a major rug pull warning. Okay, now what makes a token feel safer? Ideally, no single wallet should hold more than 5 or 10% of the total supply. Plus, a good spread among holders using different bots or platforms shows a healthy, active community. Okay, you can see here, this one is using children, and let's see what else. This guy is using BoX, and this guy is using GMGN. That's a good sign. So these are the few things you should be looking at. Okay, now buying and selling. This is really easy. You can just type in the amount you want to buy like right here. Or you can just click the options here like 0.01 or 0.1. I'm just gonna click 0.01 and just click buy. Or you can set up the take profit and stop loss right here. And selling is just as easy. Just select sell here and you can choose the percentage you want to sell. So I'm just gonna click 25%. Then just click sell. Alright, now I have sold my tokens. And something really important here I want to mention is if you're trading more than, let's say, $200, it's essential for you to fine-tune your settings to avoid unnecessary risks. First, you're going to want to set up the priority fee, usually around 10x the normal transaction fee. Why? Well, think of it as a fast pass ticket at a theme park. You're essentially tipping the network to process your trade quicker, which is especially important during high traffic periods or when chasing a time-sensitive opportunity. Without this, your transaction might lag or worse, fail entirely. Next up, enable the anti-MAV bot. Now, what is MAV and why should you care? So MAV stands for maximum extractable value. It's basically when bots sneak into blockchain and profit off your trades. Just imagine placing an order for coin only for the bot to jump in, like they buy before you and sell it back to you at a higher price. That's called sandwich attack, and it's just as frustrating as it sounds. So by enabling the anti-MAV bot, you're putting up a shield against those predatory tactics. So this feature ensures your trades go through as intended without bots eating up your profits. And always double check that anti-MAV bot setting is active before making significant trades. It might seem like a small step, but it's a lifesaver in avoiding those sneaky attacks. Okay, now let's explore the new pairs right here. So the new pair dashboard shows all the proofs that is Radium included, Pump Fan included, Moonshot included, everything included. Now, burn just means some coins are removed from circulation, reducing the number of coins available, which means developers can't easily pull funds. This is a green flag for safety. And here we got the DEX Screener spent. This flex tokens that are paying money for promotion on DEX Screener. So the interesting here is you can use the filter to find the coins that just paid DEX for promo and get early before they explode. Because some developers use promotion as a honey trap. They pump the price, sell at the peak, and leave everyone else holding the bag. So be cautious here. Now, some of you guys might be interested in tracking smart wallets that are instantly profitable and copy their trade. However, I'm not going to talk about it in this video because for beginners, this can be really risky and quite easy to get ripped off. So if you want to know how it really works, I will make another video to explain it in detail and how to find reliable wallets to copy trading and actually make profit of it. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it and find those gems like 100x. And I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a comment or feedback. Also, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.